Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to find the 5-number summary as well as how to create a box plot using Rguroo. You can always find a numerical summary by clicking on the data, then right-clicking the data that you're interested in and do a data set summary. And then you can see towards the middle you have the minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and max, the 5-number summary. And this is the 5-number summary listed for every single numerical variable that you have in the data set. Now, if we want to just focus on one of the variables or even two of the variables and not the whole thing, there's another way to go about this. So we can go to Analytics, choose Analysis, and then choose Numerical Summaries. And then in the drop down, choose your data set. I'm going to choose Serial, and I'm going to do the 5-number summary for serial price. And you don't have to retitle that there, but I'm retitling it so I'll know what it is that I'm finding. And then I'm going to click in the center, I'm going to click price, and I'm going to move that under selected. So it's going to find the 5-number summary for me for just price. If I wanted to have other variables that it found the 5-number summary for, I could add those as well. And then I'm going to click univariate. And then I'm going to choose the items that make up the 5-number summary. So minimum, Q1, median, Q3, max. Then I'm going to hit the eyeball. And there you have it, the 5-number summary for serial price. The minimum is 3.49. The first quartile is 4.99. The median is also 4.99. Q3 is 5.29, and the maximum is 6.49. And just like I said, I could go back and I can add, let's say, total fat as one of my variables, and then when I click the viewer, I have the 5-number summary of both price and of total fat. So that's how you can find the 5-number summary fairly quickly. Okay, so next we're going to see how we can use Rguroo to create a box plot. So to do that, we click Plots, and then next to Create Plot, the drop down, you're going to choose Box Plot. And this is fairly simple. You're going to choose your data set. This time I'm going to choose cereal, and I want to do the box plot for sugar. So I'm going to click on sugar under numerical variables and then click the right arrow to move it under selected. And then I'm going to create a title for my box plot. So it's amount of sugar in cereal box plot. And then you just hit the viewer, the eyeball at the top, to preview it, and there you have it. Now you'll notice this is vertical. We're used to these being horizontal. So let's go back to basics. So if you wanted it to be horizontal instead, you do all the same things, but then click horizontal at the very top. And now when I view it, it is now horizontal. All right, so I want to go back and I want to create a different one. I'm going to create a box plot. It's going to be for cereal again, but this time I'm going to choose total fat and make it horizontal. Total fat in cereal box plot. All right, now I'm going to view it. So check this out. This one on the right, you see these little circle things. These are outliers. Okay, so you can leave it like this. This is considered a modified box plot, but if you would prefer to have a regular box plot that's not modified, which just means it doesn't show the outliers, what you do is go to Details. And under Details, click on Box, Median, Whisker, Staple, Outlier, and then choose the Outlier tab, and then choose Extend. And so what Extend does is it extends the whiskers to the minimum and the maximum values, and it does not show outliers. So then when I hit the preview, you can see that the outliers are no longer showing, that we just have regular whiskers. Okay, so that's it. If you have questions, let me know.